How you make a Noriaro video? You get a canned coffee and a JDM car right here. Hey, we are out here today at Apple Valley for the Sparkle Motion All Ladies Drift event. If you remember earlier in the year, I went to Sparkle Motion for the first time. It was a fantastic event that allowed lady drivers to hone their skills, learn off each other, and overall good vibes. This time around, there was a lot more drivers, and it was fantastic to see how much other drivers I've seen before improve, and also see new drivers that are getting into the sport. This Clean 240 over here belongs to the host of the event, Kendall. The car is fitted with these R33 looking wheels and gives it a phenomenal OEM Plus look. Let's check out her driving. She's definitely one of my inspirations to drive smoother and faster. I'm here with Mackenzie, driving her Miata. Yo, that confidence though! You're doing a ride along with Callie in this 350Z. Here's a compilation of some of the cars and drivers that I was able to capture during my time there at the event. Overall, it was a fantastic event. I can't wait to see what the future holds for Sparkle Motion. I know it's going to be off to great things as it grows, and I'm happy to be a part of the community that helps bring it together, especially when it comes to sharing the love and passion for drifting. Alright, we're here in Long Beach at the Japanese Classic Car Show. As you see, So I'm popping this in the video. This is a Sparkle Motion video, but I'm popping this in at the end. Enjoy. So this is how you do a JDM video. You get a canned coffee and some JDM cars. This is a Narisota from Bay Area. His S13 slammed static. Dope. You saw him at our drift event. Got some old school RX3s right here. Check it out. Period correct. But the old school over fenders. Fantastic build. And right next to it, another one. When Skylines are just rear-wheel drive, sports family sedan basically. Granddad of my car. You got this very clean Z32 on Advan AVS VS5s with the Z hubcaps. I used to have these wheels, so it looks really cool on these cars. These are period correct wheels too. RX 78 on a Z. It's got the mock, basically the mimicking the RX 78 text and everything. Love this theme. Cool. Very nice for all the Mecha and Gundam fans. So this is a familiar car from way back that I remember in old car meet days. This is the Hulk S30Z. L28 swap, signed by Mr. K himself. Haven't seen this car in years. This is some gold right here. Bone stock 32 sedan. Look at that. The granddaddy of what would become the every other Skyline. G35 included. This is period correct FC3S right here. Late 90s, early 2000s. Right down to the wing. Love it. Another FC3S with the Ariyama styling. Beautiful, beautifully done. Wow. On the 57 CRs. We got a Mazda Speed FD3S right here. And right next to it, Ari Amamiya RX-7 right here. Beautiful kit, time attack, everything. Even got the dogfight banner. If you know Narita dogfight, you're into the time attack and grip life. So this is the only Spirit R that's in the States, owned by the Mazda headquarters over here. So this is the left, and it's only the only left-hand drive one at that too. You see right there. This is the only left-hand drive one ever, and it's in America. Not the 787B, but the 767, which is the close relative of it. Same livery, renowned livery, everything. We got a GTR R33 on Nismo Elm GT2s, which is arguably one of the best wheels from the 90s. See right there? LM GT2s, Nismo, which they used on their JGTC cars. Fantastic. Look at the flake on this Sparkle. Another 33. That's some fantastic flake. Let's check it out in the quarter panel. Whoa, look at that. Evo 3 with the OZ wheels. Full on rally style. Check it out. Very nice. Right hand drive. Got an Evo 4. Look at this Evo 4 with the rally lights in front. Beautiful. Beautiful. I was always a sucker for those rally lights. We got this Acura Legend VIP. Fusina and everything. Check it out. Woo! We got a whole lineup of Rollas here, 8.6s, Hachirokus all the way down there too. So we got 11 right here. It's got the 4AG blacktop ITBs. Technically, this is similar to the motor that Takumi had swapped over, minus being the racing variant of it. This 8.6 next to it has a turboed S2000 motor. Beautiful. And this orange as well. So this is a Cressida. Check this out. This Cressida is freaking dope. Right down to that paint job. But the front end is swapped. And also got the lowrider style paint job on the Jay-Z cover right there. I think, if I'm correct, this is the same car I saw at Super D many years ago, and if I find that clip, I'll pop it in. Got another Drift Cressida here, or Jay-Z. Right, check it out. Another Jay-Z engine, done upright. All the bells and whistles that make it a drift car, but it's still a luxury interior. Still kept it good interior. What do you guys think? It's a Nissan Cedric. One of the rarer sedans that you don't see too often. Wow. Basically when Nissan did the whole Cedric, Gloria, all that stuff at the time, the big bodied sedans. These Watanabe center caps go hard. You see Watanabes, but you very rarely see them with the center caps on. Fantastic build. With the SR, NA-SR. Wow. We have this beautiful R34 sedan. Very nice with the Urus kit, but check out the catch on this one. That's a KA. This is a KA swapped R34 sedan. Let that sink in your head. That's a KA.
We're nervous. It's pretty though.
I'm just grumpy and old.
Because you work.